सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Let us see the introduction, organization of commerce and management, class 12 commerce year 2002 and 21, present 20 and 21, presented by Mrs. Aditi Joshi, SCS Junior College, Kalamboli. Let us see the discussing of chapters numbers and their regulation. There is first number of chapters, then first principle of management, and then second chapter is functions of management, entrepreneurship, development, business, services, emergency modes of business, then social responsibility of business, then next chapter consumer protection, and then marketing. Then let us see the first chapter is principle of management. This first chapter is the introduction of various managements and terms and conditions resulted by the management process in various companies as well as business terms also. The management process is very much important in every successful business, and the need of the business is important process of management system and their works. Let us see the chapter number 1, principle of management. Next. Principle of management. So what is the management? Management means the man plus manage plus success and their technology. Man provide the management process to each group of people and human sources, and then the term is considered as a management. The management is success their technology and improve the all business successful for their terms and conditions recruited by the managers in every companies as well as in business. So let us see the introduction. What is the management and principles of management? Each and every process is done for various principles and rules and regulations of successful business. Then let us see the introduction. मैनेजमेंट कंपनी में क्यों करते हैं कि हर एक बिजनेस जब आपको सक्सेसफुल करना है तो फॉर एग्जांपल फाइनेंस प्रोसेस है और रिक्रूटमेंट है, मैनेजमेंट है और रिक्रूटमेंट है. सो ऑल प्रोसेस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मैनेजमेंट. मैनेजमेंट ज़रूरी हर एक प्रोसेस में. अगर आपको फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट है, सपोज अकाउंट आप कर रहे हो और सपोज आप रिक्रूटमेंट का प्रोसेस कर रहे हो, तो ईच एंड एवरी बिजनेस एंड कंपनीज द मैनेजमेंट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो आप फाइनेंस के लिए आपको पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? मैनेजमेंट करना पड़ेगा. तो कितना फाइनेंस करना है, ईयरली आपको कितना फाइनेंस करना है. सपोज एक कंपनी और एक बिजनेस ईयरली फाइनेंस करता है 5 lakhs, तो आपको ईच एंड एवरी टर्म्स का मैनेजमेंट करना पड़ेगा. तो फाइनेंस 5 लाख रुपए का किया तो हर एक मंथली प्रोसेस में 5 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट किधर करना है, कौन से, सपोज मशीनरी में किया, मैन पावर में किया और एनी अदर मशीन्स में किया. जो मशीन्स टेक्नोलॉजी लगती है हर एक बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल करने के लिए, हर एक नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज करनी पड़ती है. डेवलप द ऑल टेक्नोलॉजीज प्रोसेस is important in business organization. So in business organization the management is very much important in the various activities and process of the term. For example, finance, recruitment, accounting, and year developing, the very much important in management. So introduction: in every type of business organization, the management is considered as success in achieve the goal, behavior and the achieve the each and every surrounding people, your behavior and achievement in the various aims and goals is very much important to succeed the business organization and more profit, including more and more profit for their business organization. The term of the management is very much important in achieve the goal for profitable amount and successful business terms and management process. Then definition: what is the definition of the management? So that is, there is a very much principles, and principles is involved in the management. So there is a both of equal terms. First is principles and second is management. So principle is also very much important in management, and management is very much important for the principles. The both the same, both the terms, so first is principle and second is management, is equally demanded. So the both the terms are equally. The process is the same. First is principles and there recognize the management process. So the both terms are involved to form the successful business and achieve the various goals and terms and conditions to the various peoples. For example, financement or admins or accounting process, the various successful terms of business is very much important for achieve the goals. The management process is very much important. Then definition: what is the definition? The definition is management is fundamental truth. फंडामेंटल मतलब बेसिक प्रोसेस. जो बेसिक प्रोसेस क्या है? आपको सपोज कंप्यूटर्स लेना है, टेक्नोलॉजी मेंटेन करनी है, तो आपको पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? बेसिक टर्म्स, फंडामेंटल ट्रू. आपको इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चाहिए, उसके लिए आपको लैब चाहिए, उसके लिए आपको ऑफिस चाहिए. So is the basic term, the fundamental truth and proper system of every successful business term. The fundamental truth. What is the fundamental truth? Fundamental means the basic tools and conditions of the very much successful business terms, and proper system, proper technology and proper scientific management is important in the management. What is the scientific? Scientific means there is a various technology and rules and regulations and medicines is also important in the scientific management also. In the fundamental truth and proper system, the proper system is maintained by two. First is scientific management and second is modern management. Then proper system is developed for two terms. First is scientific management and second is modern management of every successful business terms. Next. Nature of principle of management. What is the nature? Nature means symptoms. What is the natures and rules of principle of management? There is a various points for the nature of principle of management. Nature means the very day-to-day life. What is the management process is succeed in day-to-day life for business as well as in companies also. The nature, what is the terms and what is the dividation in the various business activities and the process is developed for the nature of principle of management. First is universal application. Universal means various department develop this process. Universal, this is applicable and applicable in each and every department. The process is same. The universal, the management process is universal. For example, in machines, in manpowers, and in human beings, the universal process is developed in management. Universal application, the universal application gives for the publish by the managers to the various peoples for the business activities. The universal process, for example, financial management, administration, as well as sales, marketing. This process is developed in universal business terms, and the various terms and rules is maintained by the manager, and this is compulsory for all human beings, for the human resources as well as human activities also. Then second is general guidelines. Let us see how the general guidelines. आप जब काम करते हो तो आप क्या करते हो, जनरल गाइडलाइंस देते हो. सपोज एक मैनेजर है, उसने क्या प्रोवाइड किया, आपको क्या काम करना है ईयरली, आपके बिजनेस में आपको क्या करना है, क्या गाइडलाइंस है, क्या करना चाहिए, इसकी जनरल गाइडलाइंस कौन मेंटेन करेगा, मैनेजर. This is the various natures of principle is very much important, this point. General guidelines. The general guidelines, the various annual report is held by the manager for given the successful business. The general guidelines given by the manager to improve their business for successful. The given general guidelines, annual गाइडलाइंस गिवन बाय द मैनेजर. आपको अकाउंटिंग का प्रोसेस करना है तो अकाउंट में आपको क्या क्या करना है, कितना सेल्स है, कितना रिसीट हुआ है, कितना पेमेंट हुआ है, ये आपको सब मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. और आपको वो गाइडलाइन कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा, मैनेजर. सो द मैनेजर प्रोवाइड द वेरियस गाइडलाइंस फॉर दिस प्रोसेस called as general guidelines. Then third, principles are formed by practice and experiment. Flexibility. Flexibility means लवचिकता. Principles are formed by practice. Various practices is as well as business as well as company practice. Suppose एक इंजीनियर है, उसको ये करना है, बिजनेस में काम करना है, तो वो क्या करेगा, पहले आपका बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए the terms and conditions provided by the company is given by the particular person. And this experiment, साइंटिस्ट है, साइंटिस्ट पहले क्या करेगा, एक्सपेरिमेंट करेगा for new production and new medicines as developed for the experiment, and there is a very much flexibility in each and every terms. Flexible, the flexible in marketing as well as in sales department also. Then next, behavior in nature. Your behavior is good. All the people in the business who succeed the various business, the behavior is good in all the natures of the business term. The way important goal is achieved for the various human beings, the behavior is good, is manager as well as human resources of the various peoples. Then effective relationship, there is a relationship. Suppose person A is relative for person B, the various or person B is a relations for person C. So both the A B and C. Person is a relationship for effective business or succeed business. Effective means success or successful business. The relationship between the both the peoples, the members in the business is minimum and maximum. Minimum person is 7 and maximum person is 10. So the business is surrounding the both the people. The behavior in nature is good. There is a not dominant person. So there is no dominant person in the particular business as well as company. The dominant person is not given the successful business for their terms and conditions. Then effective relationship, the both the relationship is effective, then every principles have equal relation. Every principles means rules and regulations. The every principles are equal relationship. Relationship matlab same relationship are developed among the people. So there is a 10 people in surrounding of a business. There is a 10 people involved in particular management process. The management process is succeed for their equal relationship. So एक अलग काम करता है, दूसरा अलग काम करता है, उसमें दोनों में ही रिलेशनशिप जब तक डेवलप नहीं होता है तब तक आपका मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो जाएगा. तब तक सो द वेरियस इंपॉर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल्स आर वेरियस इक्वल रिलेशनशिप फॉर बोथ द प्रिंसिपल्स of the man or man of manpower. Particular manpower is develop the equal relationship between the both the people. मैक्सिमम मिनिमम 10 पीपल है और मैक्सिमम 20 पीपल है और काम कर रहे हैं सब बिजनेस में, तो दे आर guidelines. Particular guidelines is given by the manager. वो people सब काम करे उसको गाइडलाइन कौन करेगा? मैनेजर करेगा. So the manager is principals have equal relationship for both the people. Then next, equal importance. Each and every process and each and every work and experiment is equal importance for the particular process and terms and conditions are given for equal importance. एक बंदा है वो अलग काम करता है तो इसको इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देना है, दूसरा बहुत होशियार है उसका डिग्री ज़्यादा है तो उसको ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस, ऐसा नहीं चलता है. ईच एंड एवरी पीपल इज इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर द मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस. उसका काम जितना है उसको ही इतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए. इक्वल एंड इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस for each and every human being for giving the business successful. Next theory of the management, Henry Fayol. This is the main Henry Fayol who projected or who defines the term management. This people or this human being is the father of management. These people, Henry Fayol, this human is researched and planted the theory of management process. What is the management? The management is dividedly start for 1842 to 1941. This is the people who involved in the management is called as Henry Fayol. This is the theory and this is the concept of management. This is a very much important theory of principle of management. Next. Principles. First is division. Various principles are involved in the management process. First is division of work. This is the division. Division means department. First, वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स आर इंक्लूड द मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस. अगर सपोज एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट है उसका डिवीजन अलग है, फाइनेंशियल है उसका डिवीजन अलग है, अकाउंटिंग है उसका डिवीजन अलग है. द मैनेजमेंट और प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इज हेल्ड और इज ऑर्गेनाइज बाय द डिवीजन ऑफ वर्क. वेरियस principles and authority is given by these peoples who division of work is included for the human beings. The principles of management is involved each and every principles. This called as division of work. The division of work is getting more and more profitable amount for this business activities. Next, principle of authority and responsibility. The authority is given by the manager. So the principle of authority and responsibility means कार्यक्षमता. आपकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो हर एक एक्टिविटीज में और एक डिवीजन में सेम चाहिए. इट इज नॉट ट्रांसफर टू ईच and every people. So the authority and responsibility is given by the manager for each and every people who is surrounding in management process. Then third point is discipline. The discipline is very much important in day-to-day life also and in business also. The discipline, various discipline is process. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिजनेस में आप काम करते, कोई भी कंपनी में और बिजनेस में काम करते तो आपका जब वर्किंग आवर्स है और आप लेट आते हो ऐसा चलता है, नहीं. सो वेरियस डिसिप्लिन्स and activities is provided in the principle of Henry Fayol's management. Then next, unity of command. There is a two types of approach, right approach and there is a wrong approach. आपका देखने का तरीका कैसा है. आप जब राइट अप्रोच करोगे तो आपको क्या करेगा, सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस आपका हो जाएगा. सो यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड, कमांडिंग प्रोसेस इज वेरियस इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द यूनिटी मेंबर्स ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर मैनेजमेंट एंड देयर अप्रोचेस फॉर द वेरियस वर्किंग प्रोसेस इज राइट. There is a no negative approach in the business terms or management. Next is unity of direction and wrong approach. आप डायरेक्शन दे दो, मैनेजर ने आपको बोला है कि ऐसा करना है, यह काम आपको 15 दिन में करना है, तो गाइडलाइंस एंड डायरेक्शंस गिवन बाय द मैनेजर, इट इज not given for the wrong approach. It is always the right approach. The wrong approach will decreasing the terms and activities and profitable amount is less and loss of particular business term. Next, individual interest to organization. Individual means each and every department is not same. Individual, particular, the interest to ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इंटरेस्ट, आप जब कोई भी काम करते हो, बैंक में जाते हो तो आपको क्या कर रहे, बैंक क्या प्रोवाइड करेगी, इंटरेस्ट. द इंटरेस्ट इज कन्वर्ट इनटू मनी. The money process is various importance in the organization. The profitable amount is involved in the interest for particular people and human beings who is involved in the management. Next, principle of centralization. Centralization means government. The government of various fields recognized by the people for these principles and various technologies given by the management. Next, principles of remuneration. Suppose for example fire remuneration. The fire remuneration is given by the manager for this particular business is also most important principles of the remuneration. rent, the remuneration and rent is various important process is management. Next, principles of particular chain. This is the chain process. Each and every people have equal chain. फर्स्ट मेंबर है वो कनेक्टेड होगा सेकंड मेंबर, सेकंड पीपल में, थर्ड सेकंड इन्वॉल्व होगा थर्ड पीपल इन्वॉल्व होगा फोर्थ में. दैट इज द नेटवर्किंग. सो ईच एंड every process is done and sufficient involvement and sufficient machinery are involved in particular chain. That is the most important for principle of particular chain process. So that is the chain process. Next, that is the principle of chain system. That is the chain. A is involved B, B is involved C, C is involved D, E is involved F, F is involved G, and G is involved H. This is the chain process for particular in process. A is connected for B, also B is connected for F एंड G इज कनेक्टेड फॉर C. ऐसा नहीं है कि राइट हैंड के मेंबर्स लेफ्ट हैंड को कनेक्ट नहीं हो सकते और लेफ्ट हैंड के मेंबर्स राइट हैंड को कनेक्ट नहीं हो सकते. सपोज दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द चेन प्रोसेस इज इन्वॉल्व. A is involved in B, B is involved in C, C is involved in D, E is involved in F, F is involved in G, and G is involved in H. This is the chain and cycling process for successful business term. That is the various peoples are connected both. Suppose A connected a B, so their approaches will be positive always. There is not negative approach for both the people. A connected है E से और E का अप्रोच A से है निगेटिव, तो ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. A का अप्रोच E से पॉजिटिव चाहिए और E का A से अप्रोच पॉजिटिव चाहिए. There is a linking process, there is a networking process, and that is a chain process. For as A is included B, B is included C, C is included D, E is included F, F is included G, and G is included H. Next, then discussing the last, then there is a discussing the activity as example of your favorite game like cricket. You will find each activity is based on Fayol's principles of management. You have activity, discuss the activity and examples of favorite game. आपका जो फेवरेट गेम है आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, एग्जाम्पल देना होगा और उस पर हेनरी फ्योल्स के प्रिंसिपल्स एक्टिविटी बेस्ड है ये आपको सॉल्व आउट करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट,